Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna try to remove the transmission from the B series because we need to get that rebuilt because there's a giant crack in it. And as well, we're gonna try raising the EG because the shit's low as fuck. So it's gonna be interesting how dodgy we can do it. Not dodgy, how professional we can do this. So let's go. The mechanic's outside. She's waiting. Yep.
Lift it up.
The engine?
Yep. Fucking this will do. Maybe. I don't know.
You wanna go on the other side?
Yeah. This, kids, is why you need a hoe. It's a small hoe, but it works good.
Number one mechanic. Come to Ogre's Motors.
With specialists from Pen and Paint and Panels, we'll get you back on the road in no time.
Oh, it's off. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it's off, Jay. Yeah, see? What do you mean?
Okay, never mind. Damn, didn't think I'd be seeing all these signatures so soon.
Where's the penis? I know someone drew a penis on it.
I don't think anyone drew a penis.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, that's just Squidward.
Alright, so we got the transmission off the block. Honestly, it didn't take longer than we expected for some reason. But I didn't have the camera rolling because we wanted to play some music, and obviously YouTube you can't really. But the transmission off, and I'll show you the damage that I don't know. I'll show you the damage that someone done. Yeah, just a small little hole inside of it, nothing too crazy. Like, honestly, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's cool, if you take it to a car show, people will be able to see the gears and stuff, or the flex, you know what I mean? But yeah, the engine is pulled apart, and it's going to get ready to go into the Attack EG, so we can race their EG. But, yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. Seeing, what's inside of the transmission. You really get to know, you with the car, it's a really bonding time knowing what's inside of the car, legit inside of a transmission. So it's pretty awesome. Yeah. So we'll send this out, we get this rebuilt obviously, and then we'll put it back within the block. So right now, all I just need to do is just the engine, so the engine harness, do the harness, which it shouldn't be that hard. It should be just clipping in. It'll be annoying, but it shouldn't be hard. But yeah, we'll do that, and yeah. Hey, the car's here. Yeah, he's a good kitty. He's a good kitty. He's a good kitty. Alright, ripping out the engine now. Yeah, I should help. What's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
My back.
For copyright reasons, Nathan has asked me to turn off my music. So instead, I will sing. The wheels on the bus go round.
God damn.
Wait, does this got a hole in the fence? No, it doesn't. Can't see my gooch. Oh, I smashed my knuckles into the caliper.
Saw that.
That would have fucking caused a boo-boo. Would have been some delightful words said as well.
Get some. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I'm gonna bust my fucking knuckle. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Fuck, that hurt.
Oh, fuck, she's wet and leaking. Oh.
So just remember, every time you do an engine swap, make sure it's always done by trained professionals, and it's always on soft surface. I mean, no, it's done on concrete surface. You know, as we can see, we are very trained professionals. That's what we do, and we'll do this.
Like you're struggling there, bud.
Yep.
You're gonna shit yourself.
There you go. Listen, just for you. I actually cracked. I cracked it for a little bit.
Why?
Because if that. Wait.
Oh wait, no, we needed that one. I'm retarded.
Ah, the perfectly good stage. That we didn't steal.
Wood.
Yep. Hey, buddy, you want to pop your... Yeah. I think we're good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't see anything else.
Oh, that's why it's not fucking moving.
What, why?
It's hanging chassis. God fucking damn. I'm just gonna leave it up, yeah? Oh, shit.
You didn't undo all of them.
Nope.
Fucking moron.
We just need to put, I gotta put pressure on this side. Oh, yeah, hold it. Like that.
Are we maxed out?
We have maxed out, but it should clear if I hold it like this, and if we have a third person.
Get that plank of wood.
Let's try getting this lower. Like we'll twist it.
Lower it.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, pull it back more. Okay. We did it.
Alright, done. That's
Ah,
that's
that motherfucker, drop the fucking engine. We're not done. Done my fucking ass.
yeah. Now this. Yes. Gimme. Well, see, got a success. It's all done. It's mine. Let me get down the engine bay. Ah. Now I can wash the engine bay and make it look good.